Hello everyone, my name is Anjali Singh and welcome back to my channel Wander with Jelly. So here on this channel we discuss about sustainable living. We suggest you lots of gift ideas for different occasions like birthday gifts, Mother's Day gifts, Father's Day gifts and a lot. We also do a lots of DIYs, so make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of these. So in this video I'm gonna help you with 7 unique gift ideas for fathers, those who are unsung heroes of our life. As Father's Day is just around the corner and we are at a point where we are hopeless and clueless about what will be the perfect gift for fathers. So I hope you will like all the gift ideas. The last two are my favorite and I hope you also gonna love that, so stay tuned till last. And also if you want to see a lot more videos, so make sure you check videos here, because I have made lots of videos where I have suggested few gift options for different occasions, so you can check all the videos here. So now without any delay, let's check what could be the best gift for your father. Let's check it out. Smartwatch is a very stylish and functional accessory that can help your father stay connected and organized. It can track his fitness activities, provide notifications, and also allow him to control his smartphone remotely. And you can definitely go for smartwatch. A smart speaker like Amazon Echo or Google Home can make your father's life easier by providing voice control, access to music, news, weather updates, and much more. And he gonna enjoy it a lot. Barbecue set is a very good option if your father enjoys cooking and grilling. A high quality barbecue set would be a fantastic gift. Look for a set that includes all of the essentials like tongs, spatula, and speakers. It's a practical and enjoyable gifts option for dads who love hosting parties and cooking together with the family. If your father has a green thumb or enjoys spending time in the garden, a gardening kit can be a very thoughtful gift. So look for a set that includes all of the essentials, and it will provide him with the best necessary tools to tend to his plants and create a beautiful outdoor space which he can enjoy spending time on weekends. A grooming kit is a practical and thoughtful gift for fathers who like to take care of their appearance. So look for a kit that includes all the high quality razor, shaving cream, trimmer. So it's a useful option that will help him look and feel his best. If you are cool with your father and if he enjoys a fine glass of whiskey or other spirits, a decanter whiskey glass set can be an excellent choice. Look for a set that includes beautifully designed decanter and matching glasses. It adds a touch of elegance of his drinking experience and make for a great addition to his home bar or display cabinet. Cufflinks are a classic and timeless accessory that can add sophistication to your father's formal attire. So look for a set that matches with his personal style and preferences. Whether he wears them for special occasions or regularly to work, cufflinks are a versatile gift option that can enhance his overall look. So So that's it guys, I hope you really liked this video, and if you did, give this video a great thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and let me know in the comment section that which gift you gonna buy for your father. And yeah, share this video with your friends and family, and also follow me on Instagram right here because I update a lot of things over there as well. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.